Hello viewers, this is makeup artist and stylist Choiti Rahman and you're with me here today in Makeup Lounge. আজকে আমি আপনাদের দেখাবো একটা airbrush makeup and on my model Tisha আমি একটা glam eye makeup করব. So we're going to start with the eye corrector. First I'm going to apply it to conceal the dark areas of her eye, and also it works as a base to hold the eyeshadow. Now the base of her eye is done. Now that we have set the eyes with the corrector, I'm going to draw for this makeup, glam eye makeup. It's very important to draw the eyes very perfectly. It's a pigment eyeshadow use korbo just a crease area tar jonno. Next ami arekta shimmer use korbo just for the inner corner of the eyes. A same pigment shadow ta diye rest of the lid, the upper the lower brow area color korchi. To use a very dark black gel eyeliner. এখন আমি eyelash curler দিয়ে ওর eyelash curl করব. I'm going to individually set these on her eyes. এইটার benefit হচ্ছে যে এটা খুবই light. Let this dry. Mascara আমি এখন apply করছি. It's a very dark black mascara. I have to cover it with this corrector. Look up. Airbrush কোনো মিস্টেক করা যায় না, সো যে কোনো মিস্টেক থাকলে ওগুলি এখনই ঠিক করতে হবে, because otherwise I'll have to wash the entire. Also আমি যখন corrector use করি I like using two different colors, one that is darker to conceal and cover all the dark blemish area. প্রথম আমি airbrush দিয়ে start করব with her T-zone and also the cheek area right under her eye, and obviously her nose with the T-zone and the lip areas. So now I'm going to contour. Blush apply korbo to her cheek, and this is a perfect brush for blush. Now moving on to the lips, আমি একটা lip liner দিয়ে start করব, and I'm going to blend it in. Okay, so we have the lips ready, and Tisha's glam eye airbrush makeup is all done. Okay viewers, thank you for watching my makeup today. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed doing this for you. আপনারা বাসায় ট্রাই করবেন এবং আমি আশা করি যে আমার মেকআপ আপনাদের পছন্দ হয়েছে।